Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the quarterfinal how to play skill game in the UCL Daily Challenge of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the quest, how you can challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store. Let's get back to the main page. Tap the play, and tap the live events, and this one challenge mode, tap it, and this one, the first one, UCL Daily Challenge, the quarterfinal. Let's tap a continue here. So in this quarterfinal, we will playing Bunny Pinball. Hold the virtual stick in the direction you want the bunny to pass the ball. Tap continue. Let's try. Tap. You have to hold the virtual stick in the direction you want. Okay, pass. Just tap pass. And for example, this. So you need to move and you have to retry one times. So please challenge this to master the gameplay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.